In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails using Mailchimp in just 5 minutes. Whether you're reaching out to customers with a newsletter or announcing an exciting update, Mailchimp offers a powerful, user-friendly platform to get your message across efficiently. So let's dive in and get started. First, head over to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. It's straightforward and only takes a few minutes to set up. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Mailchimp dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now let's focus on creating your campaign. Navigate to the Campaigns tab, then click on All Campaigns. Here you'll see an option to create campaign. Click it. This step is the foundation of your email outreach strategy, so be sure to follow along carefully. Once you've clicked on Create Campaign, you'll need to select the type of email you want to send, which in this case is a regular email. This choice offers a range of customizations suitable for most bulk email needs, from newsletters to promotions. Now comes the fun part, naming your campaign. Choose a name that makes it easily identifiable, such as March newsletter or summer sale. This is particularly useful if you'll be managing multiple campaigns in the future. Next, you'll set the recipients of your email by selecting your audience list. Mailchimp allows you to further segment your audience, which can be a powerful feature if you want to target specific groups within your audience. For example, you might want to send different messages to new subscribers versus long-time customers. Take advantage of this feature to make your email more relevant to those receiving it. You'll then need to enter the from details, which include your name and a professional email address. This information gives a face to your campaign and helps your audience recognize the sender. Ensure it's a professional email address, as this builds credibility and trust with your audience. Moving on, crafting an engaging subject line is crucial. This is the first thing your readers will see, so make it attention-grabbing and relevant to the content of your email. A compelling subject line can significantly increase your open rates. Now it's time to design your email. Click on Design Email and you'll have the option to choose from one of Mailchimp's templates or create a custom email. Personalize your message by adding images, videos, and call to action buttons to give it that unique touch that resonates with your audience. After designing your email, click Continue to review your campaign in its entirety. Double check everything to ensure all elements are correct and professional. Finally, you'll reach the decision point. When to send your email, you can opt to send now if you're ready to launch your campaign immediately, or choose to schedule it for a future date and time that best suits your audience. And that's it. You've successfully created and prepared your bulk email campaign using Mailchimp. Enjoy reaching out to your audience seamlessly and effectively. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.